Hello students, I am going to discuss some numericals based on pH. First of all, I am going to discuss about the pH. What is the pH? pH, it is a Danish word, means potence d hydrogen ion, means power of hydrogen ion. So, the pH is the concentration of hydrogen ion present in a solution. We can get the pH by taking the negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. This is the value of pH. On the basis of this, this is the formula to getting the pH. Now, we are also going to discuss about the ionic product of water. What is the ionic product of water? When water molecule dissociates into its ion and gives the H plus and OH minus ions. For the equilibrium conditions, the concentration of H plus ion and OH minus ions is equal to K. Here K is the constant, or we can also say that it is the equilibrium constant. For the water, we are discussing about the water, so it will be Kw. We can write here the equilibrium constant or ionic product of. Experimentally, the value of Kw is observed that 1 into 10 to the power minus 40. So, we will get the ionic product of water is the concentration of H plus and OH minus ion gives the 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. So, this is the second formula which is used by us. Now on the basis of these two formulas we are going to discuss about the some numericals on the basis of these. Question first, calculate the OH minus ions and H plus ions concentration at 25 degrees centigrade in the following solutions. First is 0.02 m HCl solution and second is in the 0.005 n NaOH solution. So first we solve the first question, that is 0.002 m HCl solution. We know that the HCl completely ionized in water. HCl is completely ionized in water and gives the hydronium ion and Cl minus ion. So we know that what H plus ion is equal to is represented here by the hydronium ion. So the hydronium ion given by the HCl is equal to number of HCl, or here the concentration of H3O plus ion is equal to the concentration of HCl solution. Here the concentration of HCl solution is given 0.02 m. We know that the HCl is monobasic. Monobasic means HCl contains only one replaceable H plus ion. So the concentration of hydronium ion will be equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 m. So here on the basis of this, first we get the concentration of hydronium ion. Second one is to get the concentration of OH minus ions. For the concentration of OH minus ions, we know the relation Kw is H3O plus, or we can say that H plus and OH minus ions. Here we know the value of H3O plus and we have to get the concentration of OH minus ions. So the Kw divided by H3O plus gives the concentration of OH minus ion. We know that the value of Kw is 1 into 10 to the power minus 14 and the concentration of H3O minus is obtained from here 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. When we solve this, we will get 1 by 2 will be equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 14 divided by 10 to minus 2 is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 is equal to OH minus. or we can say that 5 into 10 to the power minus 13 m is the concentration of OH minus ion. So the final solution is concentration of H3O plus ion is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 m, and the concentration of OH minus ion is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 13 m. This is the solution for this. Now we discuss about the second question, that is the concentration of H plus and OH minus ion for the solution 0.005 N NaOH. Here the concentration given in normality. First we have to convert the normality into the molarity, because the H plus ion concentration is always given into the moles per liter. So we have to change it into the molarity. We know that when the NaOH ionizes, it will give the Na plus and OH minus ions. Here the concentration of OH minus ions is equal to concentration of NaOH. What is the concentration of NaOH? The concentration of NaOH is 0.005. For the conversion of normality, we know that the relation between the normality and molarity is equal to normality divided by valency factor. In case of base, the formula will be the valency factor for a base depends on its replaceable hydroxyl ion. So its molarity will be equal to normality divided by acidity of the base. So we know that NaOH is monoacidic. So normality of the NaOH, so molarity of NaOH solution is equal to normality divided by 1, because it's monoacidic, so it will be equal to 1. So m is equal to 0.005 n divided by 1. Now we will get the OH minus ion is equal to NaOH is equal to 0.005 n is equal to 0.005 m. Now we will get the solution in the molar solution. So OH minus ion will becomes to 0.005 m, that will be equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. So from here we will get the OH minus ion concentration. Now we have to calculate H3O plus ions or H plus ions. We know that the relation Kw is equal to H3O plus into OH minus ions. We know about OH minus ions. It will be Kw divided by OH minus ions will be equal to H3O plus ions. Here value of Kw is 10 to the power minus 14. 1 into 10 to the power minus 14 divided by 5 into 10 to the power minus. When we solve this relation, we will get the 2 into 10 to the power minus 12 m is the concentration of H3O plus. This is the solution, means H3O plus ions is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 12 m, and OH minus ion concentration is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. Next question is calculate the pH of 10 to the power minus 2 m HNO3 solution. This is the question. Now solution for this question. We know that the HNO3 is completely ionized into the water and gives the H3O plus and NO3 minus. Here the complete ionization takes place. So H3O plus ions is equal to the concentration of HNO3 solution. The concentration of HNO3 solution is given 10 to the power minus 2 m. So H3O plus ions are equal to the 10 to the power minus 2 m. For the calculation of pH, we know that the formula pH is minus log H plus, because we know that the pH is the negative logarithm of the H plus ion concentration. Now put the value of H plus, we will get the minus log 10 to the power minus 2. When we solve this, we know the formula that log m to the power n is equal to n log m. From this, when we apply this formula on this, we will get the 2 log minus 2 log 10. The value of log 10 is 1. Put the value of log 10 minus 2 into 1. We will get the 2. So pH of the solution is, on the basis of this, we can easily solve this question. Next question is the concentration of hydrogen ion in a sample of soft drink is 3.8 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. Calculate the pH. What is the pH and nature of soft drink? Now we will take the solution. Here the hydrogen ion concentration is given, means the H plus ions are given for the solution, that is the 3.8 into the value of H plus ion is given is 3.8 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. So as we know the value of H plus ion, we can easily calculate the pH. We know that the pH is the negative logarithm of the H plus ions. We can put the value of this minus log 3.8 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now we should solve the log by applying the formula here. We know that the log mn is equal to log m plus log n. By applying this formula on this place, minus log 3.8 plus log 10 to the power minus 3, and we can also apply the second formula here. For that, when we solve the powers, the formula is log m to the power n is equal to n log m. When we apply this formula on this place, we will get minus 3 log 10. Solve this the values given in bracket, solve the log 3.8 is equal to, the value of log 3.8 is equal to 0.58, and the value of log 10 is equal to 1. Put the both the value in this equation, we will get 0.58 plus minus 3 into 1. Multiply the minus into the values, we will get the 0.58 plus this minus, and this minus will give the plus value of 3. So we will get the minus 0.58 plus 3, and the value will be 2.42. This is the value of pH. So the answer is, the pH of soft drink is 2.42, and as the pH as the pH here, we know that the value of pH is 2.42, which is less than 7. So, and the nature of, on the basis of, we can say that the nature of soft drink is